In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the GotBackup software on Mac. So come here in your members area, click on GotBackup, go to use this tool. And then from here, what you're going to want to do is download it for Mac. So click here and you'll see it's downloading the software up here. Okay, and then I can go to my zip folder here, unzip it, and you'll see that the GotBackup package is here. Now here's where you want to do. You want to right click on it and click open. And then it's just going to give you a warning because it does that when it's not proprietary to Apple. So click open and continue the install process. Install. It's going to ask for your computer password, of course. And install. And the install is just about done. There we go, successful. Now we'll show you on the next video how to sync backup from your computer to the cloud.